It's your boy Waleed Talks Finance, and today we're actually going to be talking about drop shipping, what you should be doing for drop shipping in 2022. The biggest issue that we have seen with the pandemic, shipping from China and AliExpress is not it. It's not working. It's getting more and more expensive, and also there's been a lot of delays. And you see the new variant. So I'm actually going to talk about two websites that provide a better service and a better alternative as opposed to AliExpress. The two options are Spocket and Cjdropshipping. First of all, let's talk about Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping supplier from the US. It products US and EU products. It allows you to choose from the world best products, and you can sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers. It's easy to sell. It integrates with Shopify. It has up-to-date inventory. It has the best quality products, great profit margin, and has super fast delivery. We're gonna jump in my platform and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and how simple it is. They have a great support system where that you can always reach out to their support and they will help you out if you have any issues with your orders, and they will back you up. See, it was featured on Shopify, Forbes, GeekWire. If you look online, there's a lot of reviews of Spocket, and is a legit drop shipping service for you guys. You can try the products for yourself, and you can order samples, and they have a lot of warehouses in the US and in the EU. These guys would ship with 3 to 7 business days. In under a week, your customers receive the products. Nowadays, it is key good shipping experience for your customers because they're used to Amazon next day shipping and 2-day shipping. They're used to very important. It has a good integration with Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce. They have thousands of dropshipping suppliers, and they're based in the US and Europe, so it's quick, reliable, and effortless. What I do like about this website is that the simple ease of use. It's very beautiful, their platform. I'm gonna show you how it looks in a minute. All right, so you see over here I do have some orders, and I have my products, and I have my import list. And from there, if you have tried Oberlo, which would be the AliExpress, it's very similar to it. It's very beautiful. You have the categories: women's clothing, jewelry, tech accessories, kids. You have a lot of categories more. And what I did find, there's a secret tool that, example, you have a product that you like on AliExpress or Cjdropshipping, you can hit up their support on the right side. You can hit up their support and send your link to them, and they will find the product for you and some alternatives for you. So let's do over here, let's do fast USA shipping. Ship 1 to 3 days. They have a lot of Etsy, apparel, meme, aesthetic products that would do really well on TikTok. Let me know if you guys want to see a full dropshipping course for free that I can upload. So from the A to Z, like how to build a branded Shopify store and how to do dropshipping and which apps you guys have to put with Shopify. If you guys want to see that type of content, let me know down in the comments. So it is a subscription base. So but you have a 14-day trial free trial. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys want to sign up. So they have a lot of different plans. It starts at $24.99, and then you can opt for and what you can do is with these guys is, once you sign up with them, you can actually reach out to the support and be like, hey, can I upgrade? Can I downgrade? Can you give me a better deal? You can kind of negotiate with them and see where you guys at. Right, so this is it. Honestly, this is the most part of it. It's really not that hard. You connect your Shopify account or your WooCommerce, you search for products, add to import list, then you push the product to your store. Then on your Shopify store, you can edit it and perfect it. Let me talk about the second website that I have found for dropshipping. Second alternative, it's called Cjdropshipping. Cjdropshipping is actually more popular than Spocket, but the thing with Cjdropshipping, it has a more steep learning curve. It's more difficult for people to get on board, but once you learn from it, you can benefit from it. What I do like about it, they have um, more platforms available. They have eBay, um, Amazon. You can do. They have warehouses. They have a lot of warehouses. Even Spocket has, but see all of these countries, they have warehouses, so you can ship your items to there, and they also connect print on demand, and you can also source products. And the difference is with CJ, it is free from there, unless you want those premium like services like warehousing and all of that, more products and services on CJ dropshipping. It is a little bit harder to learn, but there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube for this type of website. They still have a beautiful layout with this website, but it is not as simple as Oberlo and Spocket. If you're willing to take the time and learn about CG dropshipping, I definitely recommend this website. But if you're a beginner, go with Spocket. But to be honest, the goal is to use Spocket and CJ dropshipping when you're a beginner, where you have found a winning product and you're getting some traction, and after you want to experiment with 3PL companies like ShipBob and ShipMonk. If you guys want me to talk about those in more details, I can talk about those in for future videos. But for now, let's focus on for beginner friendly solutions. It would be Spocket and Cjdropshipping. If you want to make a pet niche store or like a niche type of website, I can also make a free course that I will be posting on this YouTube. So if you want to see some more dropshipping content, make sure you like this video and leave it down in the comments if you guys want to see more of dropshipping content. It was your boy Waleed Talks Finance. Until next time, peace.